Did you find the weird things in Peppa Pig? First, did you know that Mrs. Gazelle is actually a vampire? She might even be 100 years old. When Peppa comes to celebrate Halloween with Mrs. Gazelle, they play together. Notice there's a mirror here, but the mirror only shows Peppa's reflection. Does Mrs. Gazelle really have no soul? We all know Mrs. Gazelle is Peppa Pig's teacher, but she was also Peppa's parents' teacher. Yet Mrs. Gazelle never seems to age. How old do you think Mrs. Gazelle might be? Second, when Peppa arrives at school to do ballet with her classmates, we can see Danny Dog jumping to the left and leaving the frame. But a few seconds later, he appears on the right. Can Danny Dog teleport? Third, at the beginning of the bedtime episode, we can see the sun about to set on the right side of Peppa's house. But when the scene zooms in, the sun is still on the right side of the house. However, when we go into the kitchen, we can see the sun through the window. This doesn't seem logical. Fourth, Daddy Pig takes Peppa and George to visit the house that Mr. Bull is building. When the house is ready, Mr. Bull puts a swing nearby. Peppa sits on it and swings. But when Mr. Wolf's family arrives, the swing magically disappears. It was clearly there just seconds before. Fifth, in the parking ticket episode, Daddy Pig parked his car in the wrong place. Miss Rabbit gave him a ticket and took a photo. Look carefully, there's a no parking sign on a pole next to Miss Rabbit. But when Daddy Pig gets home and looks at the photo, you can see the no parking sign on the pole in the picture. How did that pole get into the photo? Miss Rabbit took the picture from in front of the car. How could she capture the pole from the side at that angle? What other strange details do you know? Feel free to let me know in the comments section.